Ebusia mama kwaba the mobile Gatsby GH platform yeso eyemunia ba if you're right your girl next door and I eka say muntie. Welcome back once again. And now you because about one of our most talented, beautiful, well-celebrated Ghanaian actress who made her movie debut in 2014 and has appeared in several Ghanaian movies to date. The name is Miss Ellen Kyei White. Ebusia Ellen Kyei White ekosuku ewo the Adventist Day Senior High School in Swami. She lost her dad at the age of 5 and was raised by her mother. Ellen Kyei White attended the Adventist Primary School and then proceeded to have her secondary education at the same school. Ebusia Emra Ellen area secondary school no dako esi yesmano so onkonkoto adiemra. She went on an errand. There she bumped into one of the renowned movie director Jacob K. Bentum. The director saw something special in her and told her he wanted to bring it out. And I believe this was the talent that was hidden. Na Ampara Nkitahudie ya one director Enya Yenom eventually gave birth to her first acting role, Okukuseku. In this movie, Ellen was cast as the girlfriend to the great Santo. Following her role in the Okukuseku movie, Ellen moved to Germany where she spent 5 years before relocating to England. She spent another 4 years in England in search for a greener pasture. But after so many uncertainties, hard labor, and uneasy life, she decided to return to her homeland, Ghana. Upon her return to Ghana, she was welcomed by the same director, Mr. Jacob Bentum, who ushered her once again into the film industry. And ever since, there has been no turning back for the star actress who has even lost count of how many movies she has starred in. Upon her return to Ghana, the same director Bentum ushered her properly into the movie industry. Ellen Kyei White's success in the movie industry can be attributed to nothing other than sheer determination. She has also produced some movies under the production label White Movie Production. In the year 2017, she was appointed as an ambassador for the Black British Entertainment Award. Aside from the movies, she also has many businesses with multiple streams of income. She owns a ride-hailing Uber transportation business, a code store in Kumasi, a Dum to be precise, and a number of real estate under her belt. Just recently, she alluded to the fact that she is closing the code store due to so many uncertainties when it comes to the Dumso, high electricity tariffs, and other high cost maintenances with the operation of the code store. Ellen is one beautiful lady who does not shy away from displaying her beauty, her pleasure, her luxury, her delight in enjoying and celebrating her birthdays. Her birthdays are usually celebrated on a grand style. Just this year, she flew down to Paris, the Eiffel Tower, to celebrate her birthday. She deserves a standing ovation for that. Ebusia, whenever it's her birthday or fancy for also you try any soupi or dress pen tadi fe eyeni so cool at the back Instagram so my na yitimi ebo yeni ho akonhoma. Ellen is one lady who I believe will soon come up with a clothing line because her sense of fashion, I'm telling you, is impeccable. She is beautiful. Just recently this year in March, I believe, Ellen displayed her beautiful Range Rover, I believe, to show that hard work do pays off, and is encouraging other young people to pursue their goals, dreams, and aspirations. Think outside the box and just be hopeful, focus, and know that all will be well. Ellen Kyei White lives in a plush mansion in Kumasi and owns luxurious vehicles, which includes an Infiniti 4x4 and the recent Range Rover. Let's talk about controversies around this beautiful actress. There's not many controversies around this beautiful young lady. She has managed to live her life without all these with Timia Cummings and Sembebre. Most of them surrounds our Ghanaian actresses. No? She has been Adventist. She has been an Adventist religious person since childhood, but rumors have had it that she left the church because of the doctrine of the church, which prevents ladies from wearing earrings and other fashionable items, which we know that Miss Ellen Kyei White is very fond of. She was also alleged to have had an affair with Dr. Edu Boateng, the then husband of Miss Emilia Brobe, which led to the collapse of Emilia Brobe's marriage. However, Ellen Kyei White debunked these rumors, labeling them as extremely false. She has a son that we know. I'm not sure whether she's married, but that would be for another time. But as far as I'm concerned, she is living a life that she has made for herself. She is enjoying all the glory that comes with it, and we are wishing her a more fruitful, glorious, and successful life. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl, If You're Right. If this is your first time joining us, click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, share among your friends, and spread the word. For those who are returning and have already subscribed, thank you so much for continuously helping us promote the excellent achievements of the everyday woman.